Good afternoon, students. Just today what we are doing, that lesson 1 we have done that reading and that all the question answers and exercise also. Now today we will do some worksheets which are from your book. Now you can see this map easily. Yes or no? All the states you have just seen clearly. Any problem is there? You can easily see all the states. Can you see it? Okay. Now see, what you have to do is, first thing, if you are having map, then you can see this thing from your map. If you are not having map, then you can keep your picture in front of you and you have to give the answers of the questions which I am showing to you. See, the question is, look at the map above and name the states that will pass through from Delhi to Bangalore. Now see, from Delhi, you can see Delhi is here and Bangalore. You have to write down the states in between that. What states are coming here, and you have to write down the names in these lines or in your rough register. Now second question is, write the physical division in which the state lie. उस स्टेट का नाम लिखना है जिसमें ये चीज़ें आती है. जस्ट लाइक नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स, then you can see where is northern mountains upside, then you have to write down the names of the state. Now just like that, northern plains, western desert, southern plateau, coastal plains and the islands, you have to write down these states. One state you can write. Okay, now see, write the names of water body touching the coast of India. Which water bodies touches the India? You can see it. These are the water bodies, just Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea. Can you see it? Yes, no? Okay. Then after, what will you have to do? Write the names of the state that touch the sea. Sea also you can see here. Water bodies you can see here. So you can easily write down the answers of these questions. Another is that on the map, just see, this is the map. Again what you have to do is, you just draw this map and you have to color the parts which are given to the left side to you. Just like see, northern mountains, then in northern mountains you have to fill the color dark brown. In northern plains you have to just give the light green color. In desert you will fill yellow color. In coastal plains you will fill dark green, and in Deccan Plateau light brown. Now you are having my clips also, and there also map, colorful map also, physical division also. From there you can see and you just fill this. If you are having map, I am again saying this thing, if you are having map then you can do it easily. Otherwise this is also an extra activity. You draw the map and forever you will remember all the things. I hope this work you understand and you do it properly and in a good hand. So this will just you show me by your drawing in your rough register, or you can write the answers in your rough register and send back to me. Now next day what we will do, I am just again sending you the video of major landforms which I have already given, but again for revision I will send you and you just watch it very carefully because that is also very interesting. So just I am giving you this the next day work, and today's work you understand properly. So do it, and if any problem then you can tell to me that ma'am I am facing this problem. Okay, bye.